Hello everyone, Chef Eric here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe down below and give this video a like. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some really simple lemon cupcakes. So we're first going to start by lining two 6-hole cupcake cases with these cupcake liners. We can now get the zest of one lemon. And add it into our margarine. Now, to our margarine and lemon zest, we're going to add in about 90 grams of sugar. And we're going to beat this on the stand mixer for about 5 to 6 minutes until it's looking super light and fluffy. Once your mixture is looking really light and fluffy, we now want to start adding in 2 large eggs a little bit at a time until it's all fully incorporated into the batter. Once the eggs are added in, the batter won't seem all fully incorporated, but it's okay. We're now going to sift over our dry ingredients, and for our dry ingredients, we have about 125 grams of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna pop that over the sieve, along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift over half of your dry ingredients, along with your wet ingredients. Here I have about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of milk. I'm just going to add that in and then just gently fold it in. We're now just going to divide the batter evenly across our 12 cupcake liners and bake it at 180 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. While our cupcakes are baking, we can go ahead and start making our filling. And for the filling, we're going to make a simple lemon curd. So to make it, we're going to start by separating 5 large eggs. So I'll crack the egg into this bowl and then gently fish out the egg yolk and add it into my mixing bowl. For this recipe, we only need the yolks. You can save the whites in the freezer for something else like I usually do. This recipe, you require 5 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. And the 1 egg that burst when I was trying to separate it became the whole egg. So now to our egg mixture, we're going to add in some sugar, along with some lemon juice and some lemon zest. And give them a really good mix. We're now going to take this mixture over to the stove and cook it over a pot of simmering water until it's slightly thickened, and we can move on to the next step. Once your curd is done, you're going to notice when you pull it away with a whisk, it will form slight ribbons but then mix into the butter. This is done into the lemon curd, and this is done. And now to this, we're going to add about 90 grams of cold salted butter. Knock that into the bowl and give it a really good mix. This is just going to stop the cooking of the curd and also give it a really nice silky smooth texture. Once your butter is all fully melted and fully incorporated, I'm just going to set this aside and we're going to strain this just to remove any bits of lemon zest and also any overcooked egg bits that might be there. So just with the sieve, pour this through and give it a really good sieve. Once you've strained out all of your curd, you now want to place it over a bowl of ice cold water and just leave this to fully cool until you're ready to use it. Once your cupcakes are looking nice, they're fully cool and baked, we're going to chop out a nice hole so that we can put our filling. So here I have a large piping tip. So I'm just going to insert it all the way down, almost all the way down, and lift it up and remove that bit of cake.